Two executive teams asked the same AI system the same question. Both received confident answers. Both answers were technically correct. 3 weeks later, legal was still reconciling the contradiction. The deal had stalled. The problem was not hallucination. It was truth without ownership. Two regional sales teams needed clarification on a contractual pricing clause. They asked the same internal AI assistant. Both received structured answers. Both answers cited official internal documents, and both answers contradicted each other. No system outage, no prompt failure, no obvious technical error. Yet the deal stalled. Executives spent weeks reconciling what the organization believed to be the truth. The cost was not technical. It was organizational. Most AI postmortems begin in the wrong place. Leadership audits the model. They inspect prompts. They review accuracy metrics. But none of that explains what actually broke, because the failure did not occur at inference time. It occurred before the question was even asked. AI systems do not reason about truth. They reason about retrievable information. If multiple documents exist, the model will synthesize coherence. But coherence is not authority. In this case, the system retrieved an outdated pricing policy, an internal draft contract, a document never intended for external use. All three were technically valid files. None were operationally governed. Inside the system, they had equal weight. That is not an AI failure. It is a knowledge architecture failure. At this point, many organizations assume governance exists because documents are official, because they live in trusted systems, because access is restricted. But access control is not governance. Governance only exists when authority is explicit at execution time. This is where context engineering mastery draws a clear line. CEM does not treat knowledge as content. It treats knowledge as decision-shaping infrastructure. If knowledge can influence a decision, it must carry authority, ownership, and limits. Otherwise, the system is structurally unsafe. Think of it this way. Imagine a highly efficient librarian. He finds answers instantly. He never misquotes a book. But no one ever told him which books are outdated, which drafts are confidential, which documents require legal approval. The librarian is not wrong. He is simply ungoverned. That is exactly how most enterprise AI systems behave today. After the incident, the organization did not create a committee. They did not produce another policy deck. They did not train employees to be more careful. They introduced a single operational rule. Any document retrievable by AI must declare 4 things: a business owner, a validity window, an authority rank, a usage scope. If one of these is missing, the document becomes invisible to the AI. No exceptions, no temporary status. This did not make the AI smarter. It made the organization defensible. Because now, when the AI answered, leadership could explain, why was that answer allowed to exist? And that is the real definition of trust in AI systems. Here is the deeper CEM insight. AI risk does not come from intelligence. It comes from unowned truth. When truth has no owner, systems will still operate. They will still answer. They will still sound confident. But accountability disappears. And this realization often creates a fear inside organizations. If we govern everything at once, operations will stop. In practice, that is not how organizations implement this. They move in waves. The first wave targets decisions where AI answers already carry business risk. Sales commitments, legal interpretations, customer-facing responses. Only the documents influencing pricing, contracts, or commitments are governed first. Everything else follows later. If your organization already relies on AI for internal answers, one question becomes unavoidable. How many documents are in your systems today can influence an AI response without a clear owner? AI does not create this gap. It reveals it. And the faster your systems operate, the faster unowned truth becomes risk. Next episode: why speed becomes dangerous when authority does not travel with decisions.